Welcome to our video on the top 5 plasma cutters available in the market. A plasma cutter is a tool that uses a high-velocity jet of ionized gas to cut through various metals. It is a useful tool for any DIY enthusiasts or professional metal workers. In this video, we will be reviewing 5 of the best plasma cutters on them. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. First on our list is the LOTOS Technology LTP5000D, which is a 50 amp arc plasma cutter. It is an excellent tool for cutting a variety of metals, including stainless steel, alloy steel, copper, and aluminum. This cutter comes with a non-touch pilot arc that can cut through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces with ease. The LOTOS Technology LTP5000D is also equipped with an MOSFET transistor that allows for a more efficient and stable current flow. One of its standout features is its compact design, making it an easy tool to move around the workspace. However, some users have reported difficulty in finding replacement parts for this machine. These machines have some good side, like non-touch pilot arc, can cut through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces, MOSFET transistor for efficient and stable current flow, compact design. These machines have some bad side, like difficulty in finding replacement parts. Next on our list is the Prime Weld 3-in-1, which is a 50 amp plasma cutter that can also function as a TIG welder and a stick welder. This machine is perfect for those who need multiple functions in one tool. The Prime Weld 3-in-1 has an impressive cutting thickness of up to 0.5 inches and a duty cycle of 60%. It also comes with a high-frequency start that makes it easy to start the machine. However, this cutter is quite heavy, making it difficult to move around. These machines have some good side, like 3-in-1 functionality, cutting thickness of up to 0.5 inches, duty cycle of 60%, high-frequency start. These machines have some bad side, like it's a heavy weight. Third on our list is the TOOLIOM50A, which is a non-touch pilot arc air plasma cutter. This tool is perfect for those who need to cut through thick materials. It has an impressive cutting thickness of up to 0.3 inches and a duty cycle of 60%. The TOOLIOM50A also comes with an LCD display that shows the current amperage and voltage level. This feature makes it easy to monitor the machine's performance. However, some users have reported that the machine can be quite loud during operation. These machines have some good side, like non-touch pilot arc, cutting thickness of up to 0.3 inches, duty cycle of 60%, LCD display for monitoring performance. These machines have some bad side, like can be quite loud during operation. Fourth on our list is the Forni Easy Weld 250-120P, which is a 20 amp plasma cutter. It is an affordable option for those who need a plasma cutter for light to medium cutting tasks. The Forni Easy Weld 250-120P comes with a drag torch technology that makes it easy to use, even for beginners. It also has a built-in air compressor, making it a convenient tool to use. However, the cutting thickness of this machine is limited to 0.25 inches, which may not be sufficient for some tasks. These machines have some good side, like affordable drag torch technology for easy use, built-in air compressor. These machines have some bad side, like limited cutting thickness of 0.25 inches. Last on our list is the VEVOR plasma cutter, a 50 amp air cutting machine that can cut through various metals, including steel, copper, and aluminum. This machine is equipped with a digital display that shows the current amperage and air pressure. The VEVOR plasma cutter also has a built-in overheat and overcurrent protection system, which ensures that the machine operates safely. However, some users have reported that the torch can be quite fragile, so care must be taken when using it. These machines have some good side, like digital display for monitoring performance, built-in overheat and overcurrent protection system. These machines have some bad side, like fragile torch is only bad side. In conclusion, we have reviewed 5 of the best plasma cutters available in the market. Each machine has its pros and cons, so it is essential to determine what features are most important for your needs. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional metal worker, there is a plasma cutter out there that is perfect for you. We hope that this video has helped you make an informed decision on which plasma cutter to purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.